Okay, so it's post vacation and honestly I haven't posted a video in like 12 days. So I got this Yeezy slide video that I had queued up. I am gonna try to get back into a schedule for you guys. I know a lot of shit happened. If you would like a full story time, let me know in the comments. I got a couple vlogs coming out as well. So I bought these Yeezy slides and honestly, I was excited to get these for my trip and shit. When they came in, I realized that these shits are huge, bro. On the website, it said size up and I don't think I should have sized up, bro. I'm gonna get into it in a little bit, but if you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified. You already know the vibes, but let's get straight into these slides right here. On Adidas, it basically told me to size up a full size, and I've heard it before and I even experienced it myself, so I'm like, yo, let me size up on these. I went size 11. I'm normally a size 10, so I'm like, yo, I should be good, right? Then these shits came in the mail, bro. Off the rip, I'm like, these shits big as I'm gonna pull them both out for y'all. Hold on. Bro, these bitches look like a size 12. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. They should have said size down a full size. Like, what are you talking about? Bro, these shits look like a whole ass size 12 and a half. I tried these shits on my feet and I'm like, nah. This shit can't be real. Like, I actually think the material on these is a little better than these simply because this attracts dirt easy. So they took that whole rubberized part out of it. Like, that's actually cool. But bro, at least warn us to like stay with your true size on this pair. Like, I would have been good with a 10. I'm over here listening to Adidas and they fucked me up. Dead ass, I could have used these. Thing is, I went to the mall and they're saying low key I could pay 50 and trade these for my size. Do y'all think that's a smart idea, or just sell these for 170, keep the profit and just keep rocking with my old ones? Let me know in the comments what I should do. I don't know if I should trade these for my size for vacation. Let me know in the comments. Would y'all do it? Yo, beware. Look at these shits. They told me to size up on Adidas. These shits are huge, bruh. I'm a size 10, so I'm like, all right, let me go for a size 11, and they sent this shit to my doorstep, bruh. What are you talking about? Shit is ass backwards, bro. When we bought these shits are tight as fuck. It's like some samurai slippers. We handled it, we dealt with it, but these shits, what are y'all talking about? Look at the space on the front and the back of these like, bro, these dead ass look like spa slippers, bro. Like, what are we doing right now? I would have been perfectly fine with a size 10. No bullshit, bro. Look at how my foot is floating in these bitches. Terrible, bro. But yeah, man, that was just a quick little video showing y'all to beware before you buy these shits, because you dead ass will buy the wrong size if you're buying them online. You gotta go to the stores and try these out, or just try your actual size on these. Like, low key, these shits are huge. Let me know if y'all experienced the same shit. For those people who actually took the W on these, I honestly don't know if this is my favorite color. I like the brown ones, but those have like this orangish tint to it. I don't know, bro. I kind of would just get the Onyx and keep it floating. Let me know if y'all still rocking with the Yeezy slides. I feel like they're gonna keep restocking them. That's honestly why I was gonna sell them and just try to cop again. But my chances of hitting again are probably slim, so I might just go trade these bitches and call it a day. We did actually end up trading the Yeezy slides for a size 9, and I kid you not, these fit like the old size 10. I'm gonna put them next to the other pair. It's crazy how they tell you to size up, but literally you have to size down, bro. Like, look at this size 9 down here versus the size 10. Literally, these might still be a little bit bigger. Y'all could see it on the screen. I'm not tripping. I don't know what Adidas is doing, but their sizing system is dookie, bro. Like, it just doesn't work. Luckily, my mall let me trade these shits, and I actually was able to try a couple sizes. I tried the 10 and it was still too big. So before you buy these, just try to figure out where you land on the spectrum. I would honestly say size down. In my case, I sized down a whole size. But yeah, man, I feel like these are still a must cop. They're actually gonna be restocking them one more time, not in this exact color. They're gonna restock the Onyx pair and the Bone pair alongside a new color that we don't know yet. That's coming in July, so honestly, I wouldn't even be too pressed to pay resale for these just yet. If you're still in the market for a pair of Yeezy slides, trust me, bro, Kanye is gonna keep dropping these shits till there is no more. So just stay tuned. I will keep you guys posted on official release dates as as they get closer. But just make sure you watch what size you're gonna buy when you do decide to buy. And if you're gonna pay resale, these are a 9. They told me to get an 11 and I'm a 10. Just take that all into perspective. But one last look right here. I feel like there's nothing like a pair of Yeezy slides, especially on vacation. It's just so easy to wear, so manageable. And I must say, this is like a good iteration of a Yeezy slide, because the first ones we had were a little too rubbery, almost like an eraser material. This has more like a rougher finish on it, so it won't get as dirty, if that makes sense. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. More shit coming, I promise y'all. I know I haven't been posting. I'm sorry, bro. A couple of y'all dropped from the subscription list. They weren't meant to be here anyways. But for those of y'all who are still here, thank you. More content coming always. I'm gonna catch y'all, bro. Peace. Stay up, and I'm out.